Hey everybody, Jandareview, and today we're at Great American RV right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Now today we've got, oh my gosh, we got Amanda's dream right here. It is a 2025 Jayco Pinnacle, model number 32RLTS. So let's get started. The length on this Pinnacle is 36 feet, 5 inches. The dry weight is 13,530 pounds. And that hitch weight is 2,485 with a GCWR of 16,600 pounds.
Jandareview is excited to partner with Proven Industries to showcase their trailer coupler locks. Proven Industry makes locks to fit travel trailers, fifth wheels, utility trailers, boat trailers, and more. These products are manufactured out of high-strength impervious materials. They come with a lifetime warranty, same-day shipping, one key for all locks, and best of all, they are made in the USA. Check out all of their products at www.provenlocks.com or find them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.
Yes, so this is actually the smallest Pinnacle that Jayco makes. So if you're wanting something that's not quite as big, but you still want all the luxury, this is definitely the one to come look at. So we're going to start up here. This actually has the upgraded MORryde pin box on it. And your storage up here. You're going to have an extra little shelf across the top. Great storage down here. Your batteries, of course, will go there. This is going to have 6-point hydraulic leveling on it. This is also equipped with the Dexter Tow Assist for ABS and sway mitigation system. I'm not very familiar with that, but I know that's a really great safety feature.
And I guess it's got anti-lock brakes.
I do believe it
ABS.
does. Yes.
Because we done that on that when I'm with the red hubs.
Yeah.
Those were ABS.
Well, the red hubs match our red truck.
Well, that's true.
Anyway, moving right along, you're going to have two 40-pound propane tanks on this side. That's a lot of propane, folks. Here is going to be one side of your pass-through storage. You see your inverter, your water filtration system, your wet bay area here. Your auto leveling is going to be in this area. You do have a light, your satellite, and your tank pulls are in here.
Wow, yeah, we've got a light right here. Oh, cool.
Yeah, lights everywhere on this one. Your dump area is going to be right down here in front of your leveling system. Jacks. You know what I'm talking about.
Back of your
access to your fridge.
Yep.
This is going to have the MORryde suspension under it. But it does have MORryde suspension under it, so that is excellent. Coming on back here, you are going to have an electric power reel because these 50 amp cords are heavy. So that is a super nice feature. Looking at the back, I do love these fiberglass caps on the very back. Actually makes this look like an entertainer coach on the back. So you are going to have an access ladder. It's prepped for a camera, and you're going to be able to tow up to 3,000 pounds. Again, just be really, really careful when you add something to the back. You're able to bring another TV out here, and your J-port will go in here. Now, I'm not quite sure why you would want to bring another TV out because you have this. This is actually going to have a 32-inch TV on the outside.
10 and 16.
So, yes, two awnings out here, power awnings with LED light strips. This is going to cover your whole campsite. Your speakers are going to actually be out here down low. And this is the other side of your pass-through storage. Not quite as much storage on this one, but again, this is the smallest Pinnacle that they make. Again, another satellite and a cable hookup for another TV if you want to watch 3 different football games all at one time. Your vac system is out here, and then the controls for your speaker. And one more 40-pound
Yeah.
propane tank. So yeah, 120 pounds of propane. You should never run out.
I like where they put their speakers.
Yes, I do like that the speaker is down low where it makes sense. And a spray port.
Spray port.
Okay, well, let's take a look at the inside.
All right, if you like our videos, go ahead and subscribe to the channel.
This is going to be,
Squeaky
of course, your traditional rear living. So we'll start back here with this trifold sofa and this huge window back here. It's just day and night shades. Nice storage across the top.
Oh my goodness.
Yes. And I love that they do actually put you an extra shelf in there instead of just a big giant open area. The end tables on both sides are going to open for some extra storage. You've got power, USB, and USB-C, and that will be on both sides. No, correction, power on this side. USB is going to be on the other side. Oh, I'm not even sure where to start on this one. Let's just go to the front slide. Your theater seating is going to be here, and this is a really nice fabric. It is nice and soft. Cup holders. You're going to have some more power in this little triangle thing there.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's visually coming
And
up.
these little tables here will actually remove. So if you decide you don't need those, you can just pop them out and store them. Your dining area is really neat. Up here you do have a solid surface. Your chairs will move out. You've got storage underneath. You're actually going to have 2 cabinets that size, and then there's going to be 2 underneath.
Hang on.
Yes,
There we go.
under here. They may be a little hard to get to, but hey, at least you've got the storage. So for things that you don't use quite often, that'd be a great place for it. Now your table. It will pull on out. I think there's going to be a couple of extra chairs somewhere. Not sure where they are. But so yeah, you can easily seat 4 people at the table. Or just leave it pushed all the way in. Very nice. Now when you have a seat here on your theater seat, you're going to be directly in front of your entertainment. This is a 50-inch TV. Yay, I'm right again.
Yep.
Okay, and then you got some storage up above where your cables run through. Right down here you've got a sound bar and a nice large electric fireplace.
And you can hit that button over there.
Yes, there is a button.
That's
Not
a light.
that button, that was a light switch.
There you go.
Ah, yes. And so your TV is on a televator, and as you can see, this one is pretty fast. So with it down, that gives you access to your window, and then there is actually a button on that side that will raise and lower your TV.
That's sharp. I like that.
I like that they give you more than one place. Moving on into your kitchen, you've got lots of storage around your microwave. Nice big convection microwave in here. They do give you the bigger 4-burner cooktop with the big oven.
That's turkey approved right there.
Absolutely.
I don't think that's a drawer.
Oh, not a drawer below this one. Okay.
No, that's just a face.
You're facing.
Oh.
Then you've got drawers.
Well, there we go.
Yeah. Yeah, their hardware is very good in these.
Oh,
And cutlery drawer here.
Jayco
And then you've got storage over here.
does the
Yes, they do the dovetail on that. Now, on your island, this is all going to be solid surface. You've got room here actually for 2 garbage cans. And then when you pull this out, you've got a cutting board. So, yeah, works perfectly. You can just put your peelings right down into the garbage. dishwasher.
And you've
How
got
nice.
control here. Right now the microwave is on, and go down with it for your dishwasher.
Yes, so you will have to switch between those two. Spot over here actually for your sink inserts, which I don't see. I know they're around here somewhere. And then another drawer for cutlery. This is going to have the nice big sink that's got the waterfall feature, soap dispenser, glass washer, your stopper is over there, and then a pull down faucet. Alright, nice big side-by-side refrigerator. And if you guys remember, you are going to be able to access this from the outside if it needs to be serviced.
Okay.
Okay. Now, this is going to be, I guess, probably the only drawback to this unit, because it is a shorter unit. You are going to have a smaller pantry. However, it is lit, and you do have storage all the way down to the floor. So it's still actually a pretty nice little pantry.
Yeah.
Your coffee bar.
You can make that work.
I can make that work. Yeah. Light switches everywhere. I love that. So your coffee bar area, you've got great storage up above. You do have this nice open space that you can charge your phones. Solid surface here. This backsplash is an actual backsplash.
Yeah.
And you've got a couple of drawers. Nice area there. And then if you bring wine, you can stick that there. I would have Gatorade bottles stuck in there, but I'm weird. Down here at the bottom is going to be your vacuum system. So it will just lift up and you just sweep everything in there. Something that we forgot to point out
The end here.
is, yeah, you do have an additional leaf here on the end of your island. Yeah.
And you've got heating in your island.
Yes. So, yeah, this would be great if you wanted to bring a couple of extra bar stools.
I know you've
Yeah,
got
so-
one AC here. I don't know if you've went over that yet or not. Or
No, not yet. You are going to have the Whisper Quiet AC in this unit. As you can see, you do have a ceiling fan in here.
now you've got the big exhaust fan, but I'm pretty sure it's probably prepped for that.
Yeah, you could
Probably
probably
put that extra.
add, even though, I mean, this is a shorter unit. Probably wouldn't need a third AC, but
Hey,
there's an option if you want it.
oh my.
Oh, I don't think we showed this. Your controls are going to be here. Covered up. In here.
I'm not going to go too far. It got antifreeze kind of a little bit everywhere.
Yeah. Very nice shower. Now Jeremy is 6 feet tall. There is a skylight in there. And we measured this one, and it is
35 by 47.
so nice big shower with the awesome shower head. You do have some linen storage over here. Some great places to store shampoo bottles in transit. A couple of hooks up here. You foot flush toilet down here. Should have plenty of leg room in front of it. Medicine cabinet back here, and it is backlit. It does have a light around it. Solid surface in the bathroom. Nice big sink. Great storage area underneath. You do have some drawers, and your tissue holder is already in place.
And your heating vent is under here.
It's going to be right down there.
Right.
Now, moving into the main bedroom. I think this is
Oh.
my favorite. I love this.
Wow.
It is so bright in here. As you can see, you do have your second AC unit in here. King size bed on a slide. You do have some shelves here on both sides, USB, USB-C on both sides, and then they do give you this really neat light control package in here, so you can control all the lights in here and never have to get up.
Yeah.
I like that a lot.
Okay.
Underneath, got some storage under there.
Ooh, that's
Yeah,
nice.
all kinds of items. Now let's turn around and show you the foot of the bed. You're going to have a Looks like another 32-inch TV that's already in place. Storage on both sides of it. Hidden storage and two, they're a little bit shallow, but very long. Yeah.
I could get all my stuff in it.
Well, I could get all my stuff in there too. All right. And again, there's some additional lighting down here at the bottom under that. Oh, let me show you the heat in here. It's going to be right there in the wall.
That is real cool. Jayco has taken all the heating vents out of the floor.
Out of the floor,
Yeah.
yes. So, there's
Oh.
your extra chairs in here. So this can be used for hanging, storage. Obviously, you see it's cedar lined. Also prepped for a stackable washer dryer. So if you don't need the hanging, you can put your washer and dryer in here. But I think what is my favorite part of this is this back closet system. It is just amazing.
I love what they've done here.
I love this because it makes sense. They give you some more drawers back here. A pull-out hamper area. Yeah, and then sliding mirror doors here, and you'll have even more hanging in there. So, and as you can see, it is also cedar lined and a great place for shoes. And they give you another plug-in and a USB. And look, there's more shelves back there. They're everywhere.
Let me go this way. Oh, there you go.
Yeah, this is just awesome.
Oh my goodness.
I love this closet. All right, so what do y'all think about the smallest pinnacle that you can get? Just leave us a comment. We would love to hear what you think about it.
All right, before we sign off, go ahead. Something you like.
Oh, I like it all.
Okay.
I mean, I really do. I like that it's a shorter length, but you still get all of the luxury touches that you expect at a pinnacle.
Yeah.
In just a sweet little package.
Okay, that's going to be my like too. I like the whole thing. All right, everybody, leave us your comment. Let us know what you like, what you dislike. And if you like this one and you're ready to buy, we dealership Great American right here in Tupelo, Mississippi. Their information be down in our description. And like always, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, and give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.